Imagine this: 5 tons of last season's corn stalks lying across your field, packed with nutrients worth real money, and most farmers do absolutely nothing with it. Most of this valuable nutrient-rich residue get lost to the atmosphere or takes too long to be regenerated back into the soil. Nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus are lost through denitrification and leaching. You just watched a few $100s literally vanish into thin air. But what if that pile of trash was actually a nutrient bank account waiting to be cashed in? That's where BioArsenal BioMass Soil Primer and Crop Residue Manager storms in, an army of microbes that eat, digest, and rebuild your soil from the inside out. They don't just chew through tough cellulose and lignin, they turn it into humic gold. Your soil grabs that carbon, locks it in, and suddenly it's holding up to 25,000 gallons more water per acre. Meanwhile, these microbes are working overtime, regenerating nitrogen, solubilizing phosphorus, mobilizing potassium, all while quietly outcompeting soil pathogens that rob your yield. Each % of organic matter they build means stronger roots, fewer fertilizer bills, and soil that stays alive year after year. Oh, and those fertilizer prices everyone complains about? At today's rates, urea at $800 a ton, DAP at $800, MOP at $360. You're looking at hundreds of dollars in buried nutrients per acre just waiting to be released. Instead of paying more for fertilizer, you're recycling the nutrients you already have. Farmers using BioArsenal BioMass have seen returns up to 4 times the cost of the product. The choice? Lose your valuable nutrients or grow it back.